Your home is your sanctuary, but the shield that protects it from nature's elements, the roof, often goes unnoticed. Today, we're diving into why regular roofing inspections are crucial. First, safety. A damaged roof can lead to serious problems like leaks or structural damage. Regular inspections help identify issues before they escalate into costly repairs or safety hazards. Next, savings. Catching problems early can save you money in the long run. Minor repairs are less expensive compared to major replacements. A well-maintained roof also adds to your home's energy efficiency, keeping those utility bills in check. And let's not forget about value. A sound roof boosts your home's curb appeal and increases its market value. It's a key selling point if you're considering putting your home on the market. So don't wait for the water to drip through the ceiling. Schedule a roofing inspection today and keep your home safe, efficient, and valuable. Remember, it's not just a roof, it's your home's best defense. Contact us at www.phillipshomeimprovements.com. We're here to ensure your roof is in top condition. Protect your home. Protect your sanctuary.